All right. It wants to, it just can't. It doesn't have the traction. I think it needs another half volt of smoke, maybe. The tether's working, the linkage is working. I had to lengthen it back out. I had it too tight for that tether. The tether is a little long and it just couldn't be crammed together without causing difficulties. Well, that thing has really been whacked. It's too bad. I think I'm going to cut that whole nose off and put on something I saw from Gil. I forget what it was, but it was slick. Didn't do the firebox lighting. My track might need cleaning. Thinking about that. I mean, I haven't cleaned it in, geez, a year. I don't run much, but you know, the stuff gets on here, and I noticed my tender truck tires wheels were pretty dirty. I had to clean them before I ran this. So there's that. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's smoking. It's light smoke, I'll give you that. I can tune that up, we know that. And can see that or not. It's got a little lazy smoke coming out. It's a thin lazy smoke. Maybe you can't. Okay. Anyway, it is. And it has to stop. And it will scoot. It will scoot. And it'll burn out. Burn out. So it's pulling. These are plastic. This is a heavy one. This is the consist. This is engine number 3, I believe. Right, number 3. Yep, 3. This is number 1. They're all similar. They're all the same parts, the same wiring layout, the same schematic, the same components, identical, and they all run about the same. Now this has the body on it and then the firebox in it. I wanted to see how it would do, and it did okay. It did what I wanted. I don't know how many. I don't think it'll pull as many cars as I'd hoped. I'm not sure why. Maybe the controller. Maybe these cars, these tires. I'd loan this train, all these cars in that engine, to the train club, and they said they ran the hell out of it. I can hear squeaks, so I'm guessing the wheels all need oiling and cleaning. Yeah, so that could be part of it. Maybe I should take it off and run it without a load. Well, not tonight. It's already, I'm already in trouble. Okay, here it comes. Chugga, 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 chugga. Nice and smooth. Ball bearings. Ball bearing armature. All-wheel pickup. All this stuff in here is in there. All this stuff. Digital sound, speaker, fan. Oops, fan. Firebox. Smoke, fan. All that good stuff is in there. Pretty neat. And I have to say, it went together pretty cool. It's warm, but it's not hot. I think the fan's doing it. I think the fan's doing its trick. The engine is not even warm, really. Yeah, it's a little warm back here by the engine, but it's okay. The engine will get warm. Yeah, I think I'm happy. All right, I'm going to work on finishing this up and getting it to the customer so he can play with it. He wants to put ladders on it and paint it and put the lights in and all that stuff, and I'm going to let him do that. What he's going to get is a ready-to-run chassis, just like this. He wants the body, so I'll give him that and the lid. But he doesn't want, he's got his own, Okay, later, gang.